Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your friends and how to add them in Blockman GO so you can play together with them. So let's get started by opening up Blockman GO. Alright, so here we go. I've just opened it and they have actually recently changed the process for adding friends a bit, and they have added some new features. So in order to get started, you'll have to click right here on this button. And then you can already see here at the top the Friends tab, so click on that. And then they have added something called Family Members. Not sure what that's all about, but there is also the usual Add Friends option, the normal one. So let's click on that one in order to add a friend. And then we can just enter their nickname right here. But let's just try like so, and then you gotta click on the search icon right here. Alright, and so now if you want to add them, you can just click on the plus icon right here, and then you can type something in here like hi or whatever, and then click OK to send the request, and now it's been sent. And then right here in the top right corner there are also filters, so if you can't find someone you can check if the filters are set correctly. And if you want to find someone who speaks English and plays bad words, for example, you can also do that. Alright, and now I'm going to show you how to see your friend requests. Alright, so I've just sent myself a friend request from another account in order to show you how to accept a friend request. So you'll have to click on to the Friends tab again. And then right here under this section, you now have to click on that one. And then click on the Friends tab right here. And then here you can see all of your friend requests. You can accept all by clicking this button, or accept them separately by clicking this button next to them. So there we go. Now I've accepted my friend, which in this case is myself. And then I will show you one more option in case it doesn't work. So you'll have to go into the settings right here. And then there is this option right here that says Add Friends Methods. And once you click on that, you can choose who can send you friend requests, and this one obviously forbid anyone from sending friend requests, so you won't be able to receive any, so make sure this option is selected. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and comment down below if it worked. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!